YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. What Your Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Do me a favor, 400 likes before we get into this vid. Appreciate it. Thank you. And before we get into the whole hustle and bustle, I got to pick up from, well, I got a package in from Into the AM. Use my discount code WAVY80, save off your entire purchase. Or you can use the link in the video description below. Same code, same savings, Into the AM out. See what we got here. See what we got. Got the long sleeve branded Henley tee. Oh, yo. Hey, one thing, brother, that quality is nice. Long sleeve joint, this is size large right here. You see the Into the AM logo right there. Yeah, you got 3 buttons if I'm not mistaken. Yep. Yo, but hey, that quality, I ain't playing. They not either. It's nice right there. Henley joint, that says size large. Next up, gray is my color. I got the regular hoodie with the 2 pockets. It didn't have a zipper, but this one does. Bam, size large, gray. See the hoodie right there. You see the Into the AM logo in black. I didn't even look, but here, it is in black. You got your drawstrings right here with the plastic tips. Into the AM lettering is on the tips as well. Pause if you have to. Or got the zipper. Into the AM lettering on the zipper as well. Nice smooth zipper. 2 pockets in the front. Bam, right there. Now, you know me and pockets. Throw your keys in there if you're just running in somewhere. Not for security though. You know what I'm saying? Especially on the subway. You're out of there. That's where your wrists go right there. And then if you want to, you fold this joint back just a little bit. Bam, get the watch play, you know what I'm saying? Got the joggers. This size large right here. Now, I'm not gonna front. I do dibble and dabble. I go one down, pause if you have to. But yeah, they are a little baggy on the size large, but not to say I can't make it happen. I definitely can. Elastic around the waist. You got your drawstrings right there. Into the AM logo right there in black. This is great. Anytime this part right here, that bone right there is inside of it can fit in the pockets, you're good. Now take it all the way down to the bottom of the pants. It's elasticy at the bottom, so you can really show off the kicks or your socks if you want to. But yeah, so let's go. And you got a pocket at the back. You know what I'm saying? Bus pass. It's just here for aesthetics. Word. Again, got to shout out Into the AM. Check them out at intotheam.com. You use my discount code WAVY80, or you can use the link in the video description below and save. Word. All right, shout out Timberland Herald Square, man. They was very helpful, for real. The constructs I had back in 2018, those joints was like super tan. I got a pair, you're gonna see the actual first pair that I got compared to the second pair. I was just like, man, them joints is just too light, you know what I'm saying? Like, I like my joints like buttery, tan and all, you know? So I was like, man, I just didn't even want to do the review, didn't want to do the on foot. I just wanted to take them joints back and be able to get a pair that I wanted. And like I said, shout out to the staff that helped me at Herald Square, because homegirl brought out at least 7 to 9 pairs of constructs for me. And I was going through, you know, all right, I'm gonna take the left, bam, put that one all right, that's the right, yeah, I'm gonna do that. Let's look at that. And that's how we did it. So I feel that I got the best pair. Ever since, what was it, high school, I've kept a pair of constructs on deck. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just something that I had to do. These are NYC staple right here. Even though I just started hearing that that DC, somebody said DC started the Timbs.
DC.
Get the fuck out of here. First time I've heard of that, but I can't tell you this. Anybody from like DMV, Philly, and all them surrounding spots, yo, they don't play them colorful Timbs though. Not that I do either. Now, my man made them joints. Shout out to Chris Dixon. Created them for Timberland and all. Support. And you know what I'm saying? If you don't understand, I don't either. You know, I don't understand either. This is like the most tan that I could have got out of that bunch. And I just love this boot right here. It's a joint that like just looks fly when it's fresh and clean. Even though I still got my joints, they might still do about 2 more years, but I'm cool that I got these just in case, like maybe I want to step out somewhere and just be like real crispy with them. But yeah, man, here they go right here, boom, constructs. Yeah, this is a classic boot right here. I've heard people from down south, they be like, nah, the polo, yeah, I ain't, you know what I'm saying? I'm cool with these. I remember in 10th grade, I had my mother get them for me at the beginning of the school year. It was struggle for me, you know what I'm saying? I was like, man, these about to go with them, everything I got, you know what I'm saying? The Anichi, the Mecca, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, hit them joints go right here. I am so, ooh, I do love this sole right here. Joint looking nice, but yeah, I'm so hyped to get them. Do a quick review, show you what they look like on feet, get y'all up out of here. You got that patented Timberland sole right there. Get them holes back there that I've heard people say that they put nails in them joints.
Fiddle-dee-dee. That will require a tetanus shot.
I'm not about to do it. But anyway, Timberland lettering right there with the tree. Take it on up to the top of the sole right there. Ain't no slip, ain't none of that up in these joints. Medial side. You see hits that beautiful sole. And let me tell you about this sole right here. I remember one time I ordered a pair of Timbs off the Timberland site, and they sent me a pair of joints, and they was looking more brown. I'm sitting there, I rocked them, and I'm looking the whole day at everybody else's joints like damn, you know what I'm saying? Like, nah, there's something up with them joints, man. So I sold them for like half price and went to the store. Never made that mistake again. I always want to pick out my own construction. I love how the sole looks. Almost pinkish eraser to me, almost. You know what I'm saying? The hue. I ain't saying like Raymond, but that's how it goes. And this is the two-tone sole right there. Now you got the Brazilian tan line going through the girl. You know what I'm saying? Or suede upper. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's a Nubuck upper. Y'all was blaming me the whole time, but the whole time I thought it was suede. But one thing about suede Nubuck, don't get it wet. Says nobody. But pause if you have to. So you got that Nubuck upper. This is the wheat colorway right here. Another thing that I like about these joints, let's take it up a bit. You got the seams right there. Yo, these joints new, you step into a club, step into a night spot, step into a restaurant with that black light or whatever. My bad if it ain't that light. Hey, these joints kind of give off that fluorescent, you know what I'm saying? Like, hell yeah, they do. We take it to the collar. It's a dark brown collar. Gold eyelets right there. Bam. Going up, that's where you lace these joints. We're gonna take it to the lateral side, the side that gets all the what? Best side, you know what I'm saying? We got hits of that sole right there. Look how it's giving. Look how it's giving. It's giving pink. You know what I'm saying? Pause the acting on that. But yeah, two-tone. Yeah, Brazilian tan line, upper, Nubuck, the best part, the tree. What am I gonna do? Don't matter, just don't bite. Fill in the color with what? A pen, a pilot pen, and I got one at work. So I'm definitely gonna do that again. I was thinking about not doing that, but that's something that I just love doing. Like, I don't know, it just makes the boot stand out, you know? Word. There you go again with the stitching. Take it up again. Pause. It's all Nubuck, collar right there, that's dark brown. Got your eyelets right there, boom, they in gold. Timberland hang tag right there, I keep my joint in. Pause, all right? I don't do no coloring on it or nothing like that. If you do, you know, that's to each his own, that's cool, but I just leave mine like that. So now we're gonna take it to the front. You see the stitching going up, leading all the way up to the top of the tongue. Another thing about the tongue, I do like, and I kind of missed out on this one, I do like to check to see how strong the tongue is, because on these, probably you have to, on these, I don't like my tongue flopping when they're too new. After about season 3, I'm with it, you know what I'm saying? It's all good. Not going crazy down, but I'm really particular about the tongue play on these joints right here. Pause if you have to. Last thing, I wish that they would come out with a flex tongue. Pause it again if you have to. But yeah, I wish they would, like a joint that's so strong that you could have the capability if you wanted to fold it down or, you know, have it straight up or whatever. That's what I wish that Timberland does do. I might have to holler at my man and see if they can put a play like that in motion. They probably won't. But anyway, we're gonna take to the back of these joints. You see hits that sole right there, that lovely sole. The tan line right there, bam. So you got your stitching right there around the back, bam, and at the back you got that collar. Will he do it? Will he do it? Yeah, baby. See what they looking like. Let's see what these shoes were inspected by number 16. 16.5, that's too hot, but anyway, yeah, so orange insole right there, Timberland tree right here, and then it goes like splits into like a brown. Are these the anti-fatigue? I don't know. I'd have to check. I don't know, but I know the field boots come with the anti-fatigue sole. Soles are pretty cool up in these too. And Timberland has started coming with some comfort though. I ain't gonna front, they have started coming with the comfort. But yeah, so there they go right here. Last thing, yes, these are waterproof. And a lot of people be asking me like, well, why you still spray them? I make sure that I get 5 seasons out of my Timbs. I'm not taking their word for it. But anyway, yeah, there they go right there, man. 400 likes. We about to get into that on foot. Top 5 best on foot. When it comes, now, you know, I don't do no playing GA, man. It's all about the ran track, and we just gonna put them on feet and go like that. I got a lace up video. My bad. You can see that joint. I'll put that joint up there. I'll be lacing them up still to this day. But anyway, man, about to get up out of here. You already. Shout out to the Wave Mom. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me, liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. But that's Snops? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. With Your Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.
My mother always told me I was born to be a winner, and on that very night couldn't afford to eat a dinner. I'm forced to be a sinner, cause I will never starve again. I seen my father sin, and what he did, it never bothered him. I'm a part of him, I'm a made man, and I retire a giant just like Strahan. Even Malcolm went in and came out a great man, and if he's resurrected, I'll be the first that he shakes hands with. They say that I got a gift, I say that I got a chip on my shoulder that's like a brick. I say that I got a fifth in my holster that's like a bitch. I finger fuck it and grip it and choke it until she trip. I'm quite simply the strongest nigga to do it. You came up in 04, that rain influenced your music. I'm the heart of the streets, that's how I slaughter the beat. And since I've been presidential, it seems I'm harder to reach. I spit as sharp as a crease, I guess it's in my jeans though. When it comes to this bread, niggas ain't never seen dough. When it comes to this bread, niggas know that your cream low. Lactose intolerant, I clap your conglomerates. That rock wallet shit, that kill you for $1 shit. I say that I got a chip on my shoulder that's like a brick. I say that I got a fifth in my holster that's like a bitch. I finger fuck it and grip it and choke it until she trip. I'm quite simply the strongest nigga to do it. You came up in 04, that rain influenced your music. I'm the heart of the streets, that's how I slaughter the beat. And since I've been presidential, it seems I'm harder to reach. I spit as sharp as a crease, I guess it's in my jeans though. When it comes to this bread, niggas ain't never seen dough. When it comes to this bread, niggas know that your cream low. Lactose intolerant, I clap your conglomerates. That rock wallet shit, that kill you for $1 shit. School of hard knocks, all props and no scholarships. I see my father slip in the cracks of the hardest bricks. Life is a movie and truly I got the darkest script. Analyze this, I'm Paul Vitti in the mix. See my pops pass, I'm a gangster but I need a shrink. Lefty Ruggiero blaring out of your stereo. Your man is Donnie, hand me the Tommy, scratch off the cereal. Lefty Ruggiero blaring out of your stereo. Your man is Donnie, hand me the Tommy, scratch off the cereal.